Hi friends, welcome to Soban SEO Expert YouTube channel. Today our topic is what is Canva. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. So first you have to open the new page in Chrome and search Canva. If you are not using laptop, then search it in Google Apps and install it in mobile. If you search it in Chrome, then this type of page will be open in front of you. So what is Canva? Canva is a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform that has revolutionized the way individuals and businesses create visual content. Founded in 2012 by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Albrecht, and Cameron Adams, Canva has quickly become a go-to tool for professionals and amateurs alike seeking to design stunning graphics, presentations, social media posts, and much more. So when you click on the Create a Design option, then Canva provide you so many different design options. And below it also provide more design options. So, Canva provides very best designing contents as compared to others. I think it is more best as compared to others. So I show you how to make a design. First click on any design. So when select any design, then it provide the related all designs. On the top you can search any design related to your category. And you see also here on the screen that it provides related designs. So when I click on one of it, then it provides me it in editor, with the help of which you can easily edit it and make it according to your choice. So with the help of it you can easily make your design. As I edit my design in front of you. So for downloading of your design you have to click on the share button that you see on the top. And when you click on it, then it provide you the different qualities. So for best quality you have to select the JPG option. So in this way your design is downloaded easily. The Canva also provide the elements option where you can find the elements for your design easily. As I search YouTube, then it provides me the all related elements to YouTube. Similarly, it provides the text option. For example, I want to attach the heading to my design. And it also provides brand option, but it is premium. It also provides uploads option where you can easily upload your pictures or anything from computer. And further it provides draw option and project option, means here you can easily see your history in one sec. Further it provides the apps option where apps are available for Canva, and at last it provides the bulk create option for to create a copies of that designs many. Okay friends,